morning, children. You have learned about integers, natural number, whole numbers, fractions. Today we are going to read about rational numbers. What is this rational number? Any number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, is called rational number. All the natural numbers integers, fractional numbers, decimal numbers, square numbers, and 0 are rational numbers. As 5 we can express as a term of 5 by 1. 0 we can express as a term of 0 by 1. So this is called rational number. Now you will tell what is not rational or what is irrational number. A number whose square root cannot be formed. As example, if it is written square root 4, we can write it 2, or we can write it 2 by 1. But what is the square root of 3? We didn't know. The approximate value is 1.732. It is approximate value. So this is called irrational numbers. Well, we are going to read about rational numbers in this exercise. Now, how to find the equivalent rational numbers? What is the meaning of equivalent rational numbers? If we have given a rational number, P by Q. So what would be the equivalent rational numbers? Numbers may be P into M by Q into M, or it can be P divided by M or Q divided by M, where M is a non-zero integer. Now we start the exercise. Just have a first look. Exercise 1A, the first question, you have to say whether the given statements are true or false. First statement it says 15 by minus 17 is an integer. Is it an integer? No, it is not. It is a rational number. So, answer is false. Second it says 3 whole one by 0 is not a rational number. Yes, true. It is not rational number as the denominator is 0. The third question is, multiplication of rational number is the product of their numerators but not of their denominators. No, it cannot be, as I have told you. If we are going to multiply any numerator with any non-zero integer, we have to multiply denominator as well. So it is a false statement. Number 3 is a false. Number 4, a rational number can have infinite equivalent rational numbers. Yes, it can have. We can multiply with infinite numbers and we can get infinite rational numbers. So it is true. 5 it says, for like numerators and unlike denominators, the rational number having the greater denominator is greater. This cannot be. If we have like numerators, just example, 7 by 5, comma, 7 by 9, comma, 7 by 18, comma, 7 by 3. Now we have like numerators but unlike denominators. According to the question, it says if it has greatest denominator, the fraction, the number will be the greatest. It cannot be. With the smallest denominator, the fraction will be greater. Why? 7 chocolates divided into 3 parts. This says 7 chocolates divided into 18 parts. This says 7 chocolates divided into 9 parts. This says 7 chocolates divided into 5 parts. So in which condition will get greater parts? When it is divided into 3 parts. So the denominator should be less with like numerators, then the fraction is greater. So it is called false. Number 6 it says, in a cross multiplication, the numerator of first rational number is multiplied by the numerator of second and denominator of first multiplied with denominator of second. No. In a cross multiplication, we multiply numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. So this statement is also false. Okay. Done? Okay, now here in question number 2, you have to find equivalent rational number with the denominator 60. You have given certain rational numbers and you have to make the denominator 60. This example, it is given 2, 1. The question is given 3 by 5. Now this denominator has to make it 60. What should be done with 5 to make it 60? As we know, 60 divided by 5, it gives you 12. So 12 is multiplied to get 60. So 3 also should be multiplied with 12. Then it gives you 36 by 60. Look at number 3. It is given 3 by minus 20. So what should we multiply with minus 20 to make it 60? That is minus 3. So up also I am going to multiply minus 3 with the numerator. That gives you minus 9 by 60. So in this way you will complete question number 2. Convert into their standard form. In number 3, you have given the rational numbers and you have to reduce it in lowest term. That is called standard form. This example, the first one it is given 128 by 170. Now we are going to reduce it, as we can see at the ones place 8 and 0. So both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. Whether it is divisible by any other number, no? No. So what we are going to write it? We are going to write it minus 64 by 85. This is called standard form. Thank you. In this way you will finish question number 3.